Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is day 18 of me learning English with an American accent. So if you're new here, let me tell you what I'm doing. So I'm doing a 6 month challenge where I'll learn English with an American accent. So yeah, this is day 18. Alright, but before I start the video, I just wanna share about my Discord server that I created a few days ago. So if you wanna learn English or already you're fluent in English or you're a native speaker, you can join the server. If you're learning English, you can do a lot of things. You can talk to others, you can chat with others, you can practice your English, share tips and tricks, and there's a lot of things. And this server is completely free. You don't need any money or anything. You can see this and here. And also here's a server guide. If you want, you can read this by pausing the video. Yeah, and here's the most craziest part. So you can share tips and tricks. There's some tips and tricks. There's some helpful videos that might help you, and there's some resources. I didn't post anything yet, but you can post here if you want. That might help others. And there's some tongue twisters, and you can ask for help. And yeah, you can talk here with others. But right now we're not that many people right now, but maybe in the future we'll get, like, yeah, you know what I'm saying, right? All right, so today I'm gonna be doing something that I already did before. So I'm gonna ask to ChatGPT to give me topics to talk about. As you can see, I already did this challenge before and it was really good. Just I'm learning English. So if you're watching this video still, I really want some tips and tricks to, like, how can I be a better English speaker, like a native English speaker. I know it's kind of hard, but yeah, I can do anything, whatever I really need to do. So also you can share some tips and tricks. How can I get American accent? So yeah, let's just start. All right, I asked him to give me again, so yeah, let's go. All right, the first thing: if I could learn anything instantly, what skill would you pick and why? Dude, what is I'm doing right now? I'm learning English, right? So of course I'll pick talking in English like a native speaker. This is what I want. Second question. It's not a question, but yeah, anything. Never mind. The last time I laughed really hard. Tell the story and what made it so funny. So yeah, today I was scrolling reels in like 2 p.m. in my country. Right now it's 1:10. So I came across like a reels and it was so funny, and it was about a cat. I wish I can show you about a cat actually. So yeah, 3, something that always motivates me. Could be music, person, or even your goals. So I think watching American videos gave me motivations to talk like them. I think, yeah. Number 4, if I had $1,000,000, how would you spend it? Be detailed. All right. Let's say if I had $1,000,000, the first thing I'll buy a car, of course, because I really like cars. I'll give the money to charity. Not every money, but no, yeah, and I'll buy something for me, for my family, and yeah, I think I'll go to USA, and yeah, and this is what I'll do. All right, number 5, a hobby I want to try. Explain why. Interest. How you spell it? What does this mean? A hobby I want to try. Explain why. I don't know what that means. Anyways, so I'm gonna ask him again to give me another 5 topics. All right, if I could meet any celebrity, who would it be and what would you say? So if I would meet any celebrity, I think I must say Messi, because I'm a huge fan of football, and I really like Messi, and I'm saying him that you're the greatest player of all time, and I'm a huge fan of you, and you're the best player of all time. Yeah, I've said that. The scariest moment in my life. Describe what happened and how you felt. I don't think I have any scariest moment, to be honest. But yeah. My dream job. Talk about what it is and why you'd love it. So I don't have like dream job or something. Like I wanna be content creator. That's why I'm learning English. This is my like first step, you can say. So yeah, I wanna be like professional video maker, I can say content creator. Yeah. Number 4, one thing I want to improve about myself. Of course I want to improve my English. If I talk about other than English, then it might be how to make better thumbnails, because I just told you guys that I want to be a content creator. So for that I have to make better thumbnails, but I don't know how to make better thumbnails. So yeah. Number 5, if I was the president of my country, what rules or changes will you make? I don't want to really answer this question. All right, let me give let me ask him again for the last time. All right. You can also practice with me if you want. If you're still watching, I don't think anyone is watching, but yeah. All right. If I could only eat one food forever, which food and why? Would you get it? Would you get tired of it? I think I'll choose chocolate because everyone likes chocolate, right? And would you get tired of it? I really don't know. Maybe yes, because no one can like eat anything forever. It's kind of like well they can, but it's kind of important. But how do I say? Yeah, you know what I mean. All right, the best gift I've ever got, which has to be iPad. I got my iPad, and a few months ago, my brother gifted me an iPad, so it was the best gift I've ever got. A place I really want to visit, of course, it has to be USA. Something that makes me angry. Explain why it bothers you and how you deal with it. Well, I don't want to say this. I don't want to say this question. Like I don't want to answer this. All right, number 5. If I could switch lives with someone for a day, who would it be and what would you do? I don't want to change like switch to someone because I'm very grateful what I am and what I'm doing, so I don't think I'll switch to anyone. So yeah, this is day 18. So I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. See ya.